Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I am a Hello Love fanatic, and I'm really excited today about showcasing week 3 of our winter launch. So if you have no idea what Hello Love is, they're basically a press-on nail company, a luxury press-on nail company. That is what I'm wearing on my nails today. As you can tell, it is Halloween. I'm doing these videos in advance so that I can edit them and get them up on every week that they're launching. So it is not even Halloween, but this is my fun Halloween mani that I did. I love press-on nails, specifically Hello Love, because it has enabled me to create really cute custom manis for very affordable prices. I'm able to do my own in-home manicures, saving time, saving money, and also saving my nails. My nails are super strong. I can go without press-on nails because they are not damaged like they were when I was using dip nails and acrylics and all that stuff. So that's what I love about them. But this week is our third week, November 16th, our third launch of our winter collection. I have a playlist of all the fall collection. We have some awesome nails there, but I'm really excited because we're starting to get more into the fall, more into the holiday season. And I said this in my other 2 videos that I did, but this honestly and truly is the best launch that I've seen from Hello Love. I am so excited about all the colors, and I cannot pick a favorite. That is how awesome this launch is. So I think it checks off the box for a lot of people, and I think you can get some really cute ideas. So without further ado, because we've got a lot going on this week, let's go ahead and get into the video. So the first one that is launching is this cool one called Walt's Wonderland. So as I mentioned before, in the package, this is everything that you need to do your full set. The only other thing that I recommend in addition to first time buying Hello Love is doing the nail dehydrator. So this little bad boy retails for $1. Lord Jesus help me. It retails for $10, but I promise you this bottle is going to last you for a very long time. This is going to be a key to getting that longevity for your press-on nails. So definitely pick up that, but in here is going to have your glue, it's going to have your buffer, it's going to have your orange stick, everything that you need to do a full set. But this is what this nail looks like. And one thing that I have talked about, and I apologize because I'm going to continue to say it for anybody who's new or anybody forgot, the thing that I love about Hello Love is their color and intentionality. And I'm going to talk about what colors actually match with this. So when they come out with stuff, when they come out with colors or whatever, they're going to kind of match them up so you can create a really custom mani or mixed mani if you want to. This is a full set. You can wear this, the whole thing, or what you can do is you can mix it. So It's a Bloody Hot is one of our standard colors. So it is going to be the lighter color. Raiders Rose, which I do not have, is going to be that darker color, but you can also mix it with New York Blackout because there's black in there. So you can definitely create a custom mixed mani without even thinking about it because they intentionally choose out colors or pick colors that are going to match with other colors in the collection. So you can get that really perfect mixed mani if that's your vibe. But this Walt's Wonderland by itself is a really pretty holiday nail. This screams holiday. It's got that gold vein running through it. It's really pretty. Me personally, I find this more as an accent nail. I don't think that I could wear the full set because it is a lot, but I love the idea of having this as an accent and then mixing it with some of the colors I mentioned. I'll put everything below that matches with this, so in case you want to do that mixed mani vibe, you can pick up those colors. So the other color that's dropping is this one right here. It's called It's About Time. This is kind of like that glazed donut. So it is going to be very shiny. It's not like your standard, like this is, It's a Bloody Hot. It's Bloody Hot is our standard kind of just regular nail, but this one is going to be more that va-va-voom. It's going to have that very shiny finish. This one right here that I'm wearing, it's Lloyd something, I can't remember, our chrome. This is the chrome. You can see the difference. So this is more of that like glazed donut look. It's not a chrome, but you can see here, it's a different color than It's Bloody Hot. It's Bloody Hot is going to be that true apple, that true candy apple red. It's About Time is going to be a little bit darker, a little bit more vampier, but it's going to have that really pretty shiny finish. So again, it's perfect for the fall season. It's perfect for the holiday season, but it's a deep red with just that oomph. because you're gonna get that really pretty finish. Last but not least that is going to be dropping is an accent pack. So it's called Private Peppermint. So these are not like our full set. This full set is everything that you need to do all of your nails. This one is pretty much just gonna fit these 3 nails. And the whole purpose of it is to be an accent nail so that you can do a really cute mixed mani. And you could definitely do it with It's Bloody Hot. You could do it with Snowfall in Miami. I've used this up so you can see. You could do it with all 3 of them. You can do it with one or the other. It really depends on what you're looking for. If you picked up Son of a Nutcracker, which is this green one, that would be really, really cute to do with if you want to do that red and green and white kind of vibe. But it just really depends on what you're looking at. But these retail for $10. So they are a little bit cheaper than the other ones because the full sets retail for $15. But again, this is going to be everything that you need for your whole nail set. This is only going to be the accent nails and you mix it with something else. Comment below what your favorite nail is, which one you are looking to pick up. And if you have any questions about press-on nails, do they work? How do you put them on? How do you take them off? Leave a comment below or email me or follow me on Instagram and DM me and I will walk you through and help you out in whatever way I can. Hopefully you guys enjoyed week 3 of the winter launch for Hello Love. Let me know if you have any questions. Until next time, bye.